Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to verify your domain in your Google Workspace, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is simply follow the steps. So first you have to log into your domains dashboard. It could be Hostinger, it could be Squarespace, or it could be GoDaddy, any of this. So from there you have to go to the domains. For example, there is a Hostinger here, so you have to go to the domain, and you have to on the dashboard select the domain where your Google Workspace is located. There are two views in the domain dashboard, the current and list views. Click on the views icons to switch to your preferred view, and choose the domain you wish to modify. In the current view, click on the domains manage button. You can find the manage, and in list view, click on the domain or its gear icon in the right hand side. Here it is. Now click on Google Workspace in the left hand corner. You can find the Google Workspace. Then under quick access, click on admin. You can find the quick access, and here is the admin icon. Simply click on it. At the top of the admin console homepage, click here to continue setting up, or click the verify. You can find the verify option, then click continue to verify your domain with a txt record. This most common and most easiest and perfect way. You can also use other method for verify by clicking switch verification like cname, but I prefer you to go with the txt record. Now click copy to copy your unique verification code. You can find the verification code, and you have to copy that verification code and add the verification code to your DNS record. So log into your domains dashboard where you can find it. Now when you are on your page, you have to go to the domains. Now on the dashboard, select the domain where your DNS situated. There are two views exactly like this. You can view to the list view, and you can find the manage button here, or if you are on the card view, then it will look like this. You can simply click on manage, or if you are on the list view, you can find the gear icon. Now you can find the DNS and the name servers, and you can find the DNS records. So you can find probably in every DNS provider there are DNS records where you can add a DNS records. Then you have to add the txt, most common thing, txt sign here. So you can in the name field put the @ sign. You can find the @ sign. That from type list, you can find the type list. You have to simply click on this drop down button and select the txt, and from this content you have to add the code here. Now from here you have to add this, and and you can do the rest of things like default. So after adding that, simply click on update DNS, and you are good to go to verify your domain on Google Workspace. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.